Donny, come here.
Looks like Snoop Dogg was in the garage.
Welcome everyone to EBW's biggest spectacular. This is Backyardmania 9. Our opening contest is scheduled for one fall, and this will be a tag team matchup. Making their way to the ring first, she is the EBW assistant Hellcat and her partner, the Grave Digger Deadbolt. First, here's the man who fights for justice, Lankford.
Ladies and gentlemen, I want you to go ahead and welcome my tag team partner. Go ahead, announcer guy.
And his tag team partner, he is the best from the West, Donny
best from the West, Donny West. Bang, bang.
And he said it better.
He sure does. Thank you very much there, Mr. Madman Morrell.
I'm the madman.
Bless you. Thank you. Come on, let's go. There we go. You ready? Ready. Ring the bell. Come on, Hellcat. Come on, Hellcat. Come on, that's it. Get back out of her. Squeeze it out of her. Squeeze that cat. Knock the furbo out of that cat right there. Come on. Don't let her smash you in the corner like that. Hey, watch the foot in the groin. Watch the foot in the groin. He's going to the low blow. Hey, referee, why don't you watch the net because he's got him in the bottom. Hey. What do you want, Hell? You want to go?
Come on, Deadbolt, get up, come on!
Come on, Mark. Come on, Mark, get up.
Come on, Mark.
Come on, Mark.
Come on, Mark, get up.
No. Oh! Hey, Mark. No. He got room. Look up. Come on. 1, 2. Come on. Get him back. Get him back.
Come on, Deadbolt, get him, come on. It's a piece of trash, get him. Come on,
Come on, Mark. You can do it, Mark.
Hellcat
You shut up, kitty.
You shut up. Wait till I get a hold of you.
takes trash to no trash.
Shut up.
Hellcat needs a flea back.
Hey, leave it to Reno.
Come on. 1, 2, 3. 1.
Come on, Deadbolt, let's win.
Yeah. 1, 2. 2.
Come on, Deadbolt.
Knock him up. Get him.
One no sheet up, no to hat.
Like the bell. Come on, Hellcat, get up. Come on.
Come on, Hellcat, get up. Come on, Hellcat, get up.
Come on.
EBW.
Come on, Hellcat, get up.
Entertainment to its extreme.
Come on, Hellcat, get up. What? You want some?
Yeah,
Hellcat.
put some force in them shots now. Make it sound good.
Come on, Hellcat.
Come on, 1, 2.
One more, you said what? You want more? You said? You say a little more? Get it to him.
Hit him as hard as you were spanking him last match.
Come on, get up, come on. I'll give you a chance, get up, come on.
Get him. Don't give him a chance. Take it to him. Give it to him.
That's right.
Come on, Hellcat.
Right
Come on, Hellcat.
Right in the
Come on, ref.
Someone 5 seconds.
Come on, Mark.
Go on, Hellcat!
Mark, why are you walking like Spike?
Show her how it's done.
Come on.
Run it like a bull.
Come on, let's go.
Is this what y'all do at home?
Come on, Hellcat! Get up!
Come on, get him.
Come on, Hellcat!
Hold on, Don.
Flash, single
Come on, right
flash.
there. Don't let her do that, Con.
Yeah, don't let her push you.
Come on. Come on, push back.
Put your back.
Push back, girl.
Come on, Hellcat!
Come on, run.
How fair was that?
You might want to tag your back or
Go, go get him with the mailbox. Get him with the mailbox. He's going in. Hit him. There's a Deadbolt right there. Get him.
Get out of here!
Come on, man.
Oh, wait for this.
Come on.
Second base.
Come on, Hellcat!
Fall back. Come on.
Come on,
Donny West, let's go. Come on. Donny.
Come on, Deadbolt, get him! Come on!
That's your delivery.
Should I mailbox right now?
Come on, Deadbolt! Come on!
Spike DDT.
Come on, Deadbolt, what is
That
wrong
might
with
be
you?
a good
Come
fall
on,
right there.
Deadbolt!
He's seeing stars right now.
Right on the wing.
What are you going to do something?
Is he walking his back?
Yes, go! Yeah, awesome. Yes, Deadbolt!
Hit him in the back.
Yes. Put it on his head.
Yeah, Paul!
What do you got now? Put his leg.
1, 2.
That was a 3, Red. That was a 3.
2.
Right, hit him with the back.
Come on, Deadbolt. Come on, Deadbolt.
Make Kevin Steen proud before he has to understand.
Uh-oh.
No, no, no.
Overnight. Overnight.
Oh, that mail was delivered, huh?
Come on, Deadbolt. What's with you?
on, Mark.
Deadbolt. What you got?
You got nailed.
Yeah, break that neck off, Mark. Come on.
Go to sleep. No.
Sleep on.
No.
Come on, don't give
Go
up.
to sleep. No. His arm.
Come on, Deadbolt.
No.
Come on, don't give up.
Come on, what do you think?
Come on, Cena.
Come on, Deadbolt. Come on, you can do
No.
it.
Come on. No.
Come on, now, Mark Lankford.
No. Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah. Never give up. Come on.
Keep
Come on, Mark. Roll over, Mark. Roll over.
Come on.
Roll over, Mark.
Come on.
Roll
Come on,
over.
stand out.
Roll him over. Roll him over, Mark.
Yo, hang that on the good.
Oh.
Front face. Figure 4.
Tag.
He's got the little. Okay, get him with your secret weapon there.
Come on, Hellcat. Yeah.
I bet that hurt.
Yeah.
Get him back. Oh, poor baby getting beat right now.
No.
Mark, get up.
No.
That's not how that moves.
Come on, Mark, get up.
Oh. Hey.
There you go, Hellcat. Hang on it.
1, 2.
What?
That was three.
That's three, can't count.
Cat loo,
Come on,
yeah.
Hellcat.
It worked. You're the cat loo.
Look, he's yeah.
Come on, Hellcat.
Come on, Hellcat, move.
How's that back?
Move.
Come on, Lankford, justify that.
Hellcat.
Come on, Hellcat.
One.
Come on, Hellcat.
One. Two.
Go.
One.
Yeah, we got 30 how, right?
Come on, Hellcat.
One,
Come on,
Hellcat.
Hellcat.
One.
Come on, Mark.
Two. Three.
Come on, Hellcat.
One. Two. What? Two. No. No. Two. What? Yes. Go. Oh.
How's that feel?
Thanks, Mark. Hellcat.
Mark.
Love Buster.
That did him.
Get him, Hellcat. Come on, Hellcat.
Oh.
Oh.
Like,
How's that feel? Stop your hiding, huh? You like that? How you like being beat by a woman?
No.
Oh, poor baby.
Ah! Come on, Hellcat. Take it easy. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Oh, that looks like fun. Put it on his head.
Oh! Oh! One, two, two,
What? That was straight.
two.
come on, Mark.
Okay.
Get him, Hellcat.
Come on, there's no two there, Ruff. Get him out of the corner. Let's go, just off there. Hey, come on, guys. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4.
See, Black's a little rusty.
Come on, Ruff. Get him, dog. Get him. He's nothing. Get him. That's it.
Yes, right, now stomp on it.
Take him down.
Oh, come on. What was you?
One, two, one. Come on. That catch nothing. Get him off, Ref. Get him off. Come on. That's an illegal choke. That's an illegal choke. Okay. You see the taste? You see the taste? Catch. Oh, damn.
Come on, pay attention, Deadbolt.
Got the kitties now, huh, Deadbolt? That's the way you get the cat.
Hey.
I'll show you this.
This is gonna hurt you, but that's more it's gonna hurt me. Oh!
Come on, Hellcat.
After's a nut. Come on, Hellcat.
Finish it.
Come on,
Come on,
Mark.
Hellcat. This way, do it.
Oh!
That's how you do it.
Mark. You got justice. Give me justice, buddy. Come on.
Okay. Finish her. Get her. Finish her off. You can do it, Donny. Take her down.
Come on, Hellcat. Come on, Hellcat.
7 hurt.
Come on, Hellcat.
No. No. No.
Come on.
No. Go. Go.
Take out!
Time out. Time out. Don't touch. No. Don't touch. Ty, come on.
Break it up! Break it up! If you don't
Ty.
break the tap down out.
Turn it into a four-hand slam. All the man slam.
Come on.
That's what you do to a cat.
That's how you do it.
Take that, man.
Prison style.
Come on. Okay.
Go on, midget.
No kissing.
Oh.
Run it. Hey, nasty.
Mask or no mask?
You missed it.
Take that. Hey! Take your corner. Oh.
Come on, Hellcat.
Let somebody know.
Come on, Hellcat. Get up and get it.
Come on, Hellcat. Come on, Hellcat.
You're not masked.
The friggin' TNA show wasn't this good.
Unbelievable.
How the hell can you get her up?
Cat up. Cat is down.
1, 2,
Come on, Hellcat. Get up.
3.
Come on, Hellcat.
Okay.
Everybody with my gun.
Hey, Hellcat.
I got a taser in the car.
Okay.
That box is broken up. That's right.
That's the way we do it.
Hold him up. Oh, you're pinning yourself. You're pinning yourself. Count up.
Can't use that no more.
Come on.
Hey, you know how you man.
Come on. Don't tag that cat back. Don't you tag. Keep
Come
up.
on, Deadbolt. Finish him. Come on. Deadbolt.
Get him! Get him!
Come on. Come on, Deadbolt. Come on, Deadbolt. Get him.
Come on, ref. Get some water.
Come on, Deadbolt.
Get that Deadbolt. Get up. Get the weapons out. Come on.
Come on, Donny, West. He's on the rope. We gotta get off him.
Come on. Get up. Take her out, Don. Take her.
Hey, somebody don't pin somebody.
Let her. No, not again. No. No. Come on. No. Down. No. Here are your winners, the team of Hellcat and Deadbolt.
Come back to Jason. Come on back. Come back to Jason. Come on, boy. Do it. Ah, yes. Now I got the arm back. Hey, help that. Come on, boy.